Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about unity in parenting part 2. I told you the topic I'll be talking about it in series or in parts because it's something that is a little bit lengthy, and there are areas we need to see and know as well that parents must agree on in raising and parenting their children. So today I'll be talking about unity in values and principles, and I will also be talking about unity in rules and boundaries. So parents need to agree on values, uh, on core values that they want their children to exhibit. And some of them is in the area of respect, the area of responsibility, the area of discipline, uh, and the likes. So when we talk about responsibility, respect, discipline, it's not enough for parents to train their children and raise them, tell them or talk to them on all these areas, but it's important for parents to model these core values even to their children. They need to model it in the area of discipline or responsibility. For instance, if the father says lying is bad, lying is not good for you as a child, and the mother feels that what is the big deal about lying, by excusing it for the child or by ignoring that instruction that the father has given out to the child. You know, such a child might not grow to learn that telling the truth depends on who is asking. So such a child, if he or she knows that the father likes him to tell the truth at all times, you will see that when the father asks about a situation or something, the child tends to say the truth. But if the mother that ignores it or excuses him from it whenever he lies or she lies, if she has questions based on what the child has done wrong, the possibility that that child tells her lies are there, because she has noticed that there is no unity in that core value of responsibility and discipline that the parents are passing on to him or her. So when a parent, a mother or a father tolerates what the other condemns, then the child becomes confused concerning what exactly they want him or her to learn and to know or to exhibit as character. So, like I said, the child now feels that truth depends on who is asking. So, the second area where the parents needs to agree is the area of rules and boundaries. Parents should agree on rules such as screen time, bedtime, friendship, uh, house chores, and the like. The father and the mother must agree when their children should watch the screen or have leisure on the screen or entertain themselves with the screen. There must be a timeline. They must agree on channels they want their children to watch and channels they must not watch. They must agree on the time to do that and the time not to do it. No, none of the parents should indulge the child concerning these rules and regulation, these rules and boundaries. If you as a father indulges your child, or you as a mother indulges your child, for instance, when the father says uh, screen time should not exceed 2 hours every day, except on weekends, and probably the father is not around, or the one of them or the mother is not around, and the children are with one of the parents, and you discover that the children are on screen for more than 2 hours, whereas they've agreed before and they've told the children they must not exceed 2 hours on the screen. If you now indulge your child or the children, no, to be on the screen for more than that specific hours that have been agreed upon with your partner, then you are indulging the child or you are indulging those children. And then they see you as parents that are not consistent when it comes to discipline and setting boundaries. And oftentimes, they want to know, like that parent that is indulging them more than the other that is not indulging them. So in a nutshell, I would say that you need to also set boundaries in the area of academic expectation. Set rules and boundaries concerning your academic expectation in your children or your child. Let him or her know that you must not, in your ranking, in your grading, this particular session, and we don't want you to go below this level. Probably the child had 75% first term, then the parents should agree that this time around we expect you to have nothing less than 80% and above. And the two parents need to work hand in hand to ensure that that child achieve that goal and objective. So by so doing, the child will know that there is consistency and there is emotional security living with his parents and adhering to their rules and their boundaries. So I would say that in conclusion, that a divided authority produces a confused. So in conclusion, I would say that a divided authority produces a confused child. May our children never become confused. Until we see again on part 3 of Unity in Parenting, do have a lovely day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.